This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by TidalHealth.
Each February, we highlight matters of the heart. Your entire cardiovascular system, actually. It's also when you can find several Heart Month activities across the peninsula. Caroline Farrell is an exercise physiologist with TidalHealth, and she joins us to fill us in on those activities and other fitness programs you are invited to participate in. Hi, Caroline.
Hi, how are you?
I am doing great. It's always good to see you this time of year. Typically when we talk about heart health, we include the alarming statistics. Heart disease really is an epidemic, isn't it?
It is, and unfortunately, it's been that way for a long time, and we're really trying to educate people to make better lifestyle choices so that hopefully it isn't always the leading cause of death in our country, but for right now, that statistic does remain.
And one way that you encourage people is by offering programs. What are some of those activities that you have going on?
Yes, absolutely. We're actually really excited. Through the pandemic, we actually were able to open up a new facility here in South Salisbury, which is a much larger exercise facility than what we had in the past. And we've been able to invite participants that used to come to the hospital to see us here. And we have much more space for them to exercise safely so that we can promote all of our heart healthy education and heart healthy lifestyle tips, and also monitor them here in a safe setting. So the new facility is really nice. And then during Heart Month, we do a couple extra fun activities on the side. One of our major ones we actually promote within the hospital for our staff is our Step It Up Challenge, which is just a really basic challenge encouraging people to walk and stay physically active, for Heart Month, but also afterwards as well.
Yeah, and it's not just Salisbury where you have the programs. You have some programs happening in Ocean Pines?
We do. We're really lucky. We have several different facilities. Our other adult fitness location is in Ocean Pines. We opened that in October of 2015. It's also a large facility. It's over 4,000 square feet. And it's the same program that we have here in Salisbury, but it allows us to offer this program so patients don't have to drive the 30 minutes to Salisbury just to get the same benefits, so they can go, right next door for some of them that are in Ocean Pines.
So who can participate in these programs?
Actually, anybody can participate. We do require them to be 18 years or older, and everyone does get a physician referral to do our program, but you don't have to have a cardiovascular diagnosis or a pulmonary diagnosis to be in the program. You just need your physician's okay that it's safe for you to be in this exercise program.
Now, when you are talking about physical fitness, you're not talking about making these people run marathons or pump iron. These are tailored programs?
Oh, absolutely. We have each person has a specific exercise prescription. And we do in the beginning when we meet with each patient, we find out what their goals are. Some of them are younger and they're still working, and their goal is to be able to get back to work and to be able, to do some of the hobbies like golfing or playing tennis or whatever activities they participated in beforehand. Others, it's really just to maintain their independence.
It has to be satisfying, Caroline, to see these people make a difference in their lives through exercise.
It really is. We get to meet them, for a lot of them, it's the worst thing that they've been through, at least medically speaking. And to see them come from such a vulnerable point to gaining their confidence back and, getting back to their independence and not needing assistance at home or assistance getting to and from the doctor's office. And then eventually, we hope that they'll stay in the program for years and years to come, and just to watch them, enjoy their life and be able to spend time with their family and friends. And then they come in and they tell us how much, how grateful they are. And, they probably wouldn't have been able to get back to it if they hadn't participated in the program.
Well, Caroline, thank you so much for all you do. Of course, we're going to have links on our website, delmarvalife.com, so folks can look into these programs and get involved. Caroline Farrell with TidalHealth, thank you so much.
Thank you.